What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be putting in a new seat into our M3. The original seat that's in it, some duct tape on it, it's pretty tore up, a lot of miles, and I just got off a long trip. We just came back from Carlisle and it's not the most comfortable. So we're going to replace it with this. It's a Corbeau DFX. We have the sliders mounted already, and I'm going to try to make it short and sweet. And what we're going to do is we're going to use some material. We're going to make a custom bracket for it, kind of figure out my seating position, the height, and yeah, we're gonna make it short and sweet. I'll just cut to the chase and we'll get drilling and cutting and welding and a little bit of spray paint and we should be in good shape. So yeah, so follow along guys. Just kind of taking a chance on this. I saw a couple videos on YouTube. I saw some guys' ideas I kind of dug. Some looked a little overbuilt, and we're gonna try to kind of meet halfway in between. So we have something that's semi-lightweight and it's gonna be strong as well and safe. So yeah, we're gonna get to it. Okay, so that's going to conclude the video. I hope you guys like the style. Like I said, short and sweet, kind of cut to the chase. If you guys have any questions about the video, just go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to get at you. And yeah, so overall impressions, I took the car for a drive. The seat feels really good. I'm not you know, pressing my thighs against the door over here, bracing myself on the dead pedal, or grabbing onto the steering wheel for dear life. Try not to slide out of the seat. But for those of you who haven't tried one of these seats out, especially a straight back bucket, we don't necessarily have this issue in Noah's car, but this thing's a pain in the butt to get in and out of. Now, I'm a little bit older, so I do like convenience. But yeah, overall impressions of the seat, love it. Everything lines up. Seatbelt works great. So I hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you soon.